Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Find the arithmetic mean between n plus m and n minus m. Now we know for three numbers, arithmetic mean is found by a plus c by 2 equal to b, which is arithmetic mean. So we have that equal to, let's see, n plus m plus n minus m by 2, which is equal to m minus m will get cancelled out, and we have 2n divided by 2, which is equal to n. Therefore answer is option A.